Timu ya Kenya ya athaki eri a mathako ma micinga minene na minini nimaumagarite guthie bururi-ini wa Korea kunyita itemi thiini wa mbitika cia gikombe gia thi na iria ikambiriria tariki 6 mweri uyu wa gatandatu. Priscilla Wangui na Maurice Morara thutha wa kwamukira nguo cia mathako kuma kuri kiama kia NOC maugite mekuhuthira mweke uyu gwithima mbere ya mbitika cia kweherania na gwetha mweke wa gugathaka mbitika-ini cia Olympics mwaka wa 2024 bururi-ini wa Faranja.
There is only two of us that are going for the World Cup. There is me in air rifle and there is Maurice Morara who is doing air pistol. This World Cup, well, any other World Cup, they're a big deal. It's not a qualifier for the Olympics, but we're going to treat it as a benchmark. So this World Cup will really help us know what we need to improve on, where we need to put in the work, and what is expected of us come the World Championship that is going to be the first stage of the qualifications towards the Paris 2024.
Kugi nake muthaki wa mbitika cia aria makoragwo na mawathe na muikia wa ihiga Nelisile ni akenereire gukuruhanio gwake gwa timu ya Kenya iria iranyita itemi mbitika-ini cia Commonwealth mwena wa Birmingham.
Mimi sijawahi enda Commonwealth, sijawahi enda hizi Olympic, lakini ninaona Mungu amenisaidia na ninaona ninaenda kufanya vizuri sana. Nitahakikisha kwa sababu nimechakuliwa, nitahakikisha nimefanya juu chini ili at least nikuwe kwenye bracket ya medali.
Neri augite ni akite mehariria ma kuigana akiuga kambere athaki makoretwo kiharo-ini gia Kasarani guku Nairobi ni teithĩrĩirie hanene thiini wa mehariria.
Huwa saa zingine tunaweza toka from home na tuende, hakuna kam, na hii kam imetusaidia. Na kwa hii muda tutakaa hapa, ninaona nitaimprove kwa sababu nitakaa vizuri, nitalala vizuri, sitakuwa nakumbuka watoto watakula nini kwa sababu tunalipwa ukituma nyumbani, yani uko stress free. Hii kam imenisaidia sana na ninajua nitaimprove na ninashukuru wenye waliarrange kama NOC.
5, 6
ici gukorwa ri mbitika nene ciake cia mbere kunyita itemi akiranira kuinokia imwe ya nguga 3 cia mbere. 3 Adini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Kuria wa Gicimo.